Happy 4th of July, everybody. And thank you for joining me for another daily Pokemon pack opening. Please like and subscribe to see more daily pack openings. I opened an ETB on the channel earlier today. So if you're interested in what I pulled, go ahead and check the channel out. Hope everybody has a wonderful day today. Fantastic and safe 4th to everybody. Oh, we got a Larvitar, Larvitar-verse, and Conkeldurr V. Alright. We'll take it. Looks like the alt art. Not too shabby for 4th of July. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a great day.